Hi, I'm Joe with Balluff, and I'm here demonstrating some of our products that can be used in welding applications. So we'll start right here. This is our weld hub for IO-Link, and it is coated in Fortron, which gives it some protection against the magnetic field that it'll be in, and it also resists weld spatter, so that won't collect on it as well. And then we have different cables that are very durable for these environments. We have a silicone jacketed cable here, a silicone cable, and then a PTFE cable as well. And then over here we have what we call our bunker blocks. They're here to protect the sensor, and they can take a beating if things are coming in and hitting it all the time. We also have sensors that have Sun 73 coating on the face, and that allows it to withstand heat, shed weld spatter, and allow the sensor to last longer. Another thing we have is our self-bunkering procs. Our self-bunkering procs has M12 electronics in an M18 housing, which allows more protection to be in there, and again make the sensor last longer for you. Over here we have some flat pack sensors of different sizes. We have a ceramic face here, steel face here, and then a Fortron coated face over here. And one fault point for sensors is the LED light on them that can attract weld spatter and cause a short in the sensor. So we have these sensors that do not have an LED on them right there. And then lastly, our plunger probe here, which consists basically of our sensor here, housing, a spring, and the tip. So what happens is if something comes in, it hits the plunger, it hit it as hard as it wants, and what happens is this housing then goes over the sensor and triggers the sensor once it's in there without actually making contact to it. And it comes with 3 different spring tensions, and we have many different tips for it. We have flat tip, round, chisel, and threaded as well. So this is kind of a nice way to protect your sensor, give it a beating, and make it last a long time. And those are some of our ways that we have products for welding applications.